Hey everybody, welcome back to Holler's Garage. As you know, my name's Bo. Tonight we have another little unboxing video. I am getting ready to do a project here at the house. We sold our dining room set here recently, and I am going to build us a dining room set. I got a large piece of live edge white oak in the kiln right now, not here at the house, but there's another guy down in Lafayette, Georgia. He has a kiln and he is drying it for me. Been in the dryer for almost a month, so I'm pretty excited. I hope to get it done by Christmas. We'll see, but I do plan on putting a little series together when I build this thing. It's not going to be a quick process, but I do plan on recording it. It's going to be pretty awesome. So hope you guys tune in when that time comes. But I've never been a woodworking type of guy. Never been a home do it all, whatever you want to call it, kind of guy. Bob Vila, Tim Allen kind of guy. I've always been mechanical kind of stuff. So this wood and all this stuff is new to me, but I realized that I'm going to bring this big chunk of wood home and I don't have anywhere to work on it. I did a little project for the church here a while back, and I actually used the exhaust cover on my Skag lawnmower, which didn't turn out good. The piece turned out great, but the work surface didn't turn out worth a crap. So long story short, we have a set of Bora Portamate crap. Can't think what they're called. Yeah, them things. What the crap is it called? Sawhorses. Yeah, sawhorses. Told you I wasn't no home guy. This crap, they even slipped my mind. These are rated for pretty good weight. They're real wide, and I don't have a lot of room here. I've got a pretty decent sized garage, but I don't have a whole lot of room. So I wanted something that collapsed down really well and all that good stuff. So I found these on Marketplace. Got them for $100 for the set. Yeah, $100 for the set off Marketplace. I've actually had them for a few weeks now. Been needing to do this video, but I just hadn't done it yet. But they are brand new. Like I said, I got them off Marketplace. Took those 3 pieces of styrofoam out. That's how they come packaged. Brand friggin' new. These are, let's see if I can get this without destroying it. Here's the part number PM4500 Speedhorse XT. That's the model number on them. Pull these things out of here. This video shouldn't be too long. They're called a Speedhorse for a reason. From what I understand, you pick them up and push a button and they just drop out. The legs just drop out. So we'll see what happens. Also, guys, my wife told me here recently, she watched the video on the lights for my trailer, and she told me I needed some kind of a ring light or something so you guys better see me with. And I'm also looking at a second camera, you know, one for a view right here, and then I'll have another one for a view, up close view while I'm doing that way. If I'm doing something tedious with my hands, some wiring or something, you guys can see it. So yeah, let's okay. So we've got, here's the Bora Speedhorse. Quick release technology, so I'm guessing you just flip those up and they fall right out, I guess. Ooh, stickers. Everybody loves stickers. Alright, so let's give these a shot, see what happens. going to just pick it up, I guess. Hey, yeah, choo-choo. Easy peasy, easy peasy. So yeah, I just pulled the, held it with one hand on one side, one hand on the other, pulled that up, legs fell right out. Awesome. Yeah, I'm sure they are height adjustable maybe. I really don't know. I have no idea. I will have to read the instructions. But that's pretty, by the time I get a piece of wood on there, that'll be pretty good. Pretty good height. Let's try this one out. Like I said, just reach up, find it. Easy peasy. Fall right out. That is awesome. They have a little grip tape up here so your stuff doesn't slide around, and got some little brackets over here on the end. I really don't know what for, all that stuff yet. So yeah, I will find all that stuff out as I use them. Pull leg release to close legs. Okay, well, I will figure all that out. But yeah, so far they look very sturdy. I said here's a PM 4500 Speedhorse XT. Let's see here. Oh, look at this. Oh yeah, there we go. Got some height adjustment there. Legs fold out. So we got some height adjustment right here. It's up to 6 inches. So that's awesome. Let's see if we can figure that out at all. I don't see where it extends. I don't see any adjustment. I don't see any adjustment, but maybe they're there. I'll have to look more into them. But yeah, that's it for the video for the night, guys. A little short video. Bora speed horses. Crap. And that was probably my heater tripping my breaker. So now we're going to go over here. I've got a few breakers I need to work on. Need to be replaced. Yep, that same one. Yep. Same breaker. I put this little heater over here. This one. And I've got some breakers that are not the strongest ones in the... They're not the strongest ones. They're getting a little weak. They've been in here for probably 40 years. So, hey, it's time. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's it. That's the video for tonight. I am going to get off here, clean up my mess, go inside and eat some dinner with my family. I love you guys. Get out and fix something. Find somewhere to go to church this weekend. Actually, tonight being Monday, get some, share the love of God with somebody. Go to church this weekend, worship with somebody. But share the love of God, read your Bible. Love you guys. We'll see you next time here on Holler's Garage.